Welcome everybody, thanks for tuning into my channel. I used to struggle with day trading until I learned this one simple strategy. Let me show you what I mean. Now, I don't like to sit on my computer all day, so to streamline my trading process and avoid constant monitoring, I prefer preparing the night before. Watch as I pull up a chart and zoom into the 30-minute time frame, and place a rectangle across my support and resistance levels that I see where our price has been either bouncing off of or getting rejected from. I like to use a rectangle rather than a single line because a support or a resistance level is really more of a range than a single exact level. Since I have my support and resistance levels marked out, I place my alerts at each level so that once these levels trigger, I get an alert and I can act fast to catch the move so I'm not sitting around all day jumping into trades before they're ready. Once I have my alerts set, I then transition to a 5-minute chart, and I have my moving averages set to tell me where the trend is going, and I never trade against the trend. Here is what I mean. I have a 21 EMA and a 50 EMA, and also a 200 EMA. Then I scan stocks through the stocks on my list. I use TradingView and just tap my spacebar to scroll through the list, watching where the candles are in relation to the moving averages. For long trades, we only want to take trades where price, the candles, are trading above the 21 EMA, and we want the 21 to be above the 50 and 200 EMAs. And trending higher, we want all three moving averages sloping up to take a long trade to buy stocks or call options. With my watch list on the right side of my screen, I go to the 5-minute chart and tap the spacebar to scroll through my stocks on the watch list, and what I'm watching for are stocks where price is trading above the 21 EMA, and the 21 EMA and the 50 are all pointing up. The opposite is true if I'm looking for short setups. I look for charts that have price below the 21 EMA and the 50 are both sloping downwards. Once I find the best setup, I zoom into the 3-minute chart, and on a long trade, place the stop below the 3-minute candle I bought in at, or if I'm short the stock, I place my stop just above the 3-minute candle I bought puts on. If the price is in a downtrend and all three moving averages are all sloping down, I only want to take trades that are short, or I only want to buy puts in that type of setup. For a short trade, we want to see the candles getting rejected from the down-sloping 21 EMA. Don't buy puts or go short when the price is far away from the 21 EMA. Wait for price to test the 21 EMA on a 3-minute chart for the best results. Once price gets far away or overextended away from the 21 EMA, it's time to take profits. On the long side, we just don't blindly buy when price is above the 21 EMA. We want to wait for the price to cross up from below or at least test the 21 EMA to go long. If all of the moving averages are pointing up and price is close to the 21 EMA, that's where we go long and set the risk to reward ratio to a 2-to-1 ratio, or if a trend is strong, a 3-to-1 ratio like this. To get our own trades in real time as we buy and sell on our own account, visit us at patreon.com/soratrades to join our Discord. Now, the ideal place to go long is when the three moving averages are all bunched up together, which provides the best support level with the highest risk to reward dynamic. Once these three moving averages are all separated by a wide margin, the meat of the trade is over, and that's where you just wait for the EMAs to all set back up again. Once the moving averages are close to each other and price comes back to test it, that's where you go long again and sell when the price gets far away from the 21 EMA. Once the candles close below the 21 EMA and the three moving averages are pointing down, you only take short trades or buy put options. And if the moving averages are all pointing up and price is above the EMAs, then you only take long trades or call options. Follow these two simple trading rules and you can't lose money. If you do lose money, you simply didn't follow the rules. Be patient and wait for the trade to come to you. Once again, to get our own trades in real time as we buy and sell in our own account, visit us at patreon.com/soratrades to join our Discord and get which stock or options we buy, the price at the time of the trade, and our target and stop. If this video resonates with you, take a moment to leave a comment below and share this video with your friends and colleagues. And don't forget to like the video. Thank you so much for watching, and until we meet again.